Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Android settings and going straight to passwords or autofill settings. Do not wander. Once in, select the Google Password Manager entry or the device's passwords section. Make sure you authenticate immediately with your PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or face so the system will display protected entries. This authentication is required by design to prove it's you. While authenticating, hold your device steady and avoid timeouts. Once accepted, the list of saved accounts becomes visible. Once you can see saved accounts, search or scroll to the specific app, site, or Wi-Fi entry you need. This narrows the list fast. Tap the entry to open details, then tap the eye icon to reveal the password. Android will often ask you to authenticate again for extra safety, so be ready. After revealing, you can long press the password to copy it into the clipboard. Use this only on trusted fields. Make sure to close the screen when done to re-hide credentials. To finish, lock the screen and clear the clipboard if you copied a password. This prevents accidental leaks. If a saved password is missing, go to Settings Accounts Google and confirm password sync is enabled, and verify the autofill provider is set to Google. If authentication fails, restart the phone and retry authentication steps. Make sure the biometrics or PIN you use matches the device account. Finally, never use third-party tools that.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.